Best known for their range of camera filters and accessories, Sandmarc have now come up with a rather unique yet rather flexible tripod designed specially for your iPhone, or any other smartphone for that matter, with a compact form factor, simply called the Tripod Compact Edition. Sandmarc have always impressed with their high-quality camera accessories, and so I expect nothing less here, with the unique design of this compact edition tripod. And to be fair, it is just that, reasonably compact. Matte black in colour and weighing in at around 750 grams, it's not the lightest tripod I've come across, although still comfortable to carry around for periods of time, mind. But it does feel seriously robust in the hand thanks to its aluminum construction, which is designed to withstand extreme conditions, meaning you can take this thing on any adventure without concern. In essence, we have a 4-part design here, a central pole surrounded by 3 legs, which rotate downwards and lock into position. Pretty easily done. And with the legs down, we have a typical tripod setup. Rubber feet on the bottom help to maintain a strong grip on any surface, while with a simple twist we can unlock and extend each of the legs too, providing a maximum 25-inch height when fully extended. Moving up, the main body incorporates a rubber-lined thumb dial, which can be rotated to loosen and allows the central bar to slide up and down, provided some added height without having to manually raise and lower the legs, while at the very top we find a Sandmarc ball head, complete with a thumb dial for locking and unlocking a smooth panning motion, and a second thumb dial for unlocking the main ball head, providing the ability to re-angle your smartphone with ease. Although marketed towards smartphone users, the ball head is rated to carry up to a 3kg payload, so it'll easily handle compact cameras and even reasonably sized DSLRs too. Talking of smartphones, at the very top we have a locking base used to hold the included camera plate, which is pretty standard, as well as a smartphone clamp which can be connected to the 1/4" 20 bolt on the plate, and then locked onto the main tripod ball head. All pretty standard stuff. The smartphone clamp is spring-loaded, complete with a rubberized finish to grip onto the inserted smartphone, and even includes a cold shoe mount at the very top for video lights or microphones too. From here, it's pretty straightforward to get the angle you need, be it by spreading the legs further apart and lowering the ball head down to 8.5 inches in height, or with a full 25-inch extension with all legs fully extended. You can even swing the legs right round in order to create an underslung mode, great for shooting really low down to the ground or for capturing those close-up macro shots. So whether you're looking to capture long exposure photography, light trails, low light portraits, or even time lapses to up your filmmaking and photography game, the Sandmarc Compact Tripod is a fully equipped and industrially built tripod made for iPhone, but compatible with most action and compact cameras, even DSLRs with small lenses. With its compact size, quick adjustability, and a solid ball head with both portrait and landscape orientation, the Tripod Compact Edition isn't the cheapest compact tripod out there, but it's clearly designed to last you a lifetime thanks to its high build quality. Although it can be a little fidgety at times during setup, it's flexible enough to get the job done, making it easy to recommend.